You guys, come with me. There's going to be a lot of clearance everywhere, lots of sales. I am definitely ready for this day. I've got my green smoothie. That's going to be my breakfast, and I have my coffee ready. This green smoothie recipe, I put it on Crafting and Cooking, so if you haven't seen it when I did my Ninja review, I'll go ahead and post it here so that if you get a chance, go ahead and see it, and let's go ahead and get started, and I will see you in just a bit. Okay, so the temperature did go up just a little. It's at 51 degrees now, so I went ahead and took off my jacket, but I did end up making it over to Michael's, so let's go inside and see what kind of clearance they have. I think I'm gonna kind of like pop around different places and then just give you an idea as to how low the prices are right now. As soon as I walked in, I saw that the Santas are 60% off. Now the sign says nutcrackers as well, but I didn't see any. Now here we have candles. There's a little small set of 3. These are the larger 3-wick candles, and they've got them in a couple of colors, the red and the green. And I absolutely fell in love with this little hanging basket. It's filled with pines, pine cones, and berries. You can see the little brass jingle bells, and these are listed at $29.99. And I thought this little crate was really pretty. I didn't see it the first time I came around. And here they have some framed artwork and some little wooden tags. And these are listed at $7.99. Again, it's 60% off. I will try to remember to show you the prices versus just the products. Like this decorative piece is $16.99. And I love this little Christmas countdown. I actually had little knit stockings. And look at this little velvet and knit one as well. So this one was listed at $39.99, and you can see they had a price listing sheet here with the discounted price. Now this little garland pieces, they had lots of samples, and they believe it was 4 different designs. So I will light them up so you can see what they look like. The DIY ornaments were listed at 70% off. And as you can see here, it says all of the collectible ornaments by Ashland are all 60% off. If you happen to have seen my Michael's Christmas video, you will know that Ashland is actually a brand of Michael's. Now the tree toppers are listed at 50% off. And this is pretty much all they had left over. These carvable ornaments are listed at $12. And as you can see here, they pretty much have all of the colors, but very limited. The baking supplies are actually 60% off. And as you can see here, this little 12-piece cookie cutter set is listed at $12.99. Now all of their ribbons and bows have been marked down to 70% off. And I'll just give you a quick glance of what they've got. So all of their designer premium florals are also 60% off. And I will definitely get up close to some of these items so that you can see the details. They're absolutely beautiful. Their regular florals are also listed at 60% off, or at least their Christmas ones are. These actually happen to be one of my favorites for this year's season. And look at this pre-made arrangement. It's in a metal tin. It's so pretty. I love that frosted look. And let me show you the regular price. It's $54.99. And these are actually stands. They're not vases. And here are some more pre-made arrangements. And as you can see here, these are listed at $69.99. Look at this Santa one, very beautiful. It's got some vibrant colors. And I can say that I'm happy that they are 60% off. This tinsel tree, the regular price is $94.99. And here is a framed picture with like a little floral arrangement on top. And they also had some colorful tinsel with the traditional gold and green and red in it. And here's another pre-arranged. You can see the little elf legs sticking up from on top. And the regular price on this one is $84.99. Now this is a hanging a floral arrangement. And I want to get up close so that you can see some of the detail of these picks that they've got in this arrangement. And here are some more baking supplies at 60% off. Like I mentioned, all of the items that were listed on my Christmas video is also on sale. You can go back and watch that. For right now, I'm just basically showing you the items that are not on that video. If you saw my TJ Maxx video, they had a very large version of this. This one is a small one for $34.99, and this would be perfect if you want to make your own flower arrangement for $21.99. Now, I did see this decorative paper. There's 24 sheets to each booklet, and they are 12 by 12. And I'll flip through these so that you can see the prints within these booklets. And all of their gingerbread kits are 60% off. Okay, so I just left Michael's. There were two things that I noticed were not on clearance. I didn't even see them, and one of them was the mini village houses. And the second thing that I didn't see any of were the nutcrackers. Let's go check Burlington, and we'll just kind of hop around because there's a lot of little stores here. All right, so while I'm doing this, you guys let me know in the comments below if you guys have already started Christmas clearance shopping, or if you even do that. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and drive to Burlington and see what they have. Okay, so I actually made a mistake. This is a Ross and Burlington is down the street. So let's go in here first. I did not do a Christmas decor video for Ross, so I'm interested to see if they even have anything. So let's go inside and see what we can find. Okay, so as soon as I walked in, I noticed that they had a few shelves already set up with clearance, and their prices were marked down pretty low. So here is a box of ornaments that has a set of 14 for only $3.99. So here are some floral picks. This is a little elf one with for $2.49. They did have a lot of candy. Here is some marshmallows, some chocolate covered almonds. These were only $1.99. And here is a big box of chocolates. These are, it was an assorted package of pralines for $4.49. They did have a few ornaments left. I can honestly say they did not have a lot. This was only 49 cents. So at these prices, I can completely understand why they were so low in product. And look at this one, was only 99 cents. They did have this set of 4 mugs. And these were only priced at $3.99. Now they had them in white and in black. And here they have this really cute napkin holder. This is only $1.99. I do love this paddle board. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. It's blinged out. I love the gold. And this one was only $4.99. And here they have some cookie sheets for $2.49, and they were in the shapes of like stars, mittens, Christmas trees. Really cute. This beautiful clear tray with gold embellished designs on it was only 99 cents. And here is another one. This one actually says joy with little polka dots on it, and again, only 99 cents. And here they have some dark chocolate spoons, and these were $3.49. Okay, so I just walked out of Ross. There was just a very small amount of items left. As you can tell, the shelves are empty, but they are getting ready for Valentine's Day. They did already put out some of their kitchen towels because I went to the back because I saw something that was red, and I thought, oh, that would be perfect. Maybe they have some clearance household items back there for Christmas. No, if they were, they weren't priced, but maybe they're going to use those for Valentine's Day. I don't know. But I don't want to say it was a bust, but I felt like it was a little bit of a bust. I'm kind of hoping that they really did sell out of everything that they had. But for the little items that they did have left, they were extremely low priced. So anyway, let's go on to the next one and see what other clearance we can find. Okay, so I was going to go into Hobby Lobby, which is right behind me, but their parking lot is packed. I can only imagine their clearance sale. So what I'm going to do is go into 99-cent store, which is right here. I haven't not been in here for years. So let's run inside and see what's there, and then I'll tackle Hobby Lobby. As soon as I walked in, I saw the shelves. General merchandise was marked down 50%. The candy and cookies were 25%. Now I did see some of the milk chocolate spoons. Unfortunately, this was broken, but as you can see here, they have plenty. And because everything was packed in kind of tightly, I am just going to go ahead and show you the products that they do have. And if I run into something a little different, like this one you can tell is lit up, or I don't know if you can tell, but it does have little lights. I'll show that to you. There you go. And then this one was marked at $3.99, but again, it was 50% off. And let me turn this plaque on its side so you can see the thickness of it. And then of course the backing, it has a complete cover on it. So for the price, I thought it was great. Here they have these big tubular containers, $9.99 at 50% off. And these are these beautiful ornaments. Okay, so moving right along, let me show you some of the ornaments that they do have and some additional decorative pieces. Like this ornament would be actually 49 cents. And this one is something that I've seen at the Dollar Tree. Now they do carry decorative pillows. Now this one is $5.99. As you can tell, it's not very thick, but I thought for the price and the design, I thought they were good. And like this one, I believe is $7.99. It is a little thicker. And again, these are all 50% off. So quite honestly, it's a great deal. And I thought this one was adorable. It's got that gnome design. And here is a longer one with this a barnyard design for $7.99, and again, it's half off. So they do have New Year's Eve products already out. So if you're planning on throwing a New Year's Eve party, they definitely head on over to the 99-cent store. They definitely have a lot of decorative pieces such as the paper plates and napkins. They do have items such as decor for your tables. And here they have photo props. So for 99 cents and just a little bit higher, you get a lot for your money. And look at this party kit is only $12.99. I did end up walking around the store a little bit more and found some more Christmas clearance. Now I thought this was really fun. This elf is actually at the Dollar Tree. It was in my Dollar Tree Christmas video along with these Christmas tags. So if you haven't seen that, I'll definitely post that here so you can see what to look for. Here are their boxes of Christmas cards. Again, everything at the 99-cent store is currently listed at 50% off for their Christmas items. A lot of their gift wrap bags were pretty wiped out, but they do have these bows, and again, those were at the Dollar Tree as well. Now they did have a little bit of ribbon left over, so I'll show you some of the designs that they have at the 99-cent store, and these are wired. I finally found some nutcrackers here at the 99-cent store. They were tucked behind some other products, so this is about as close as I could get. And here they have some cute little tinsel trees. Here are some more ornaments. This one's 50 ornaments for $12.99, but again, 50% off, so that's a great deal. And here are some metal lanterns. These are listed at $14.99. You can easily use for some additional decorative pieces, such as a centerpiece, by filling it with other floral picks or even candles. And here are some tiny little Christmas trees. They are wrapped with a burlap or some other type of fabric for the base. And these are all listed at $2.99. The price did go up as the trees got a little bigger. Okay, so I just walked out of the 99-cent store. They do have quite a bit of clearance, and of course, a lot of it starts at $99. It goes up a little. I think the most expensive item was either $12.99 or $14.99, but I mean, for the most part, everything is 50% off. So I feel like I'm running a little bit low on energy, so I am going to run over and grab something to eat. I just checked my Upside app. Mod Pizza is really close. So if you haven't heard of the Upside app, I will leave a link in the description below. I did show in one of my videos how to use it, so I will link that here. I'll show you what thumbnail to look for, and I'll link it down below, and it explains how to use it. But it, in essence, gives you percentages back, like a rebate back for either gas or restaurant usage. It's there. If you're interested, you can definitely click on that. Let's go get something to eat, and then we'll hit up Hobby Lobby because the parking lot is packed. I am going to do this Christmas clearance video in 2 parts. So this is part 1 of the Christmas clearance, and then tomorrow I will upload part 2. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so as soon as I post that video, you will be notified. So in the meantime, I am going to go ahead and enjoy my dinner, and I will see you all tomorrow.